Hello, good day. This is Sky. This video I will introduce you our newest generation 4D Hive device. Okay, this device will total have 4 handle pieces as you can see. This one is the 4D. Okay, one shot that will have 12 energy lines. This one is the Y-channel tightening hive device. Okay, and this one is the radar hive, and this one is the Y-channel tightening testing pressure handle pieces. So total we have 4 handle pieces. As you can see here is the 4D hive cottages, and this 3 one is for the face, and this one is for the body. Okay, so these handle pieces that can use for the facial, for the face anti-aging, wrinkle removal, face lifting, neck lifting, and so on. And these two, you can see this is 8 millimeters and 70 millimeters. So these two can use for the body slimming, body skin tightening, and so on. Okay, so this is the 4D. Okay, this is 4D hive device. And this one is Y-channel tightening. Okay, combine these two, so we have two cottages that is used for the Y-channel tightening. Okay, 2 is the 3 millimeters and 4.5 millimeters. So this is Y-channel tightening handle pieces. And this one is the radar hive. Okay, radar hive that will have 3 handle pieces. Okay, radar hive that's used on the small areas that this hive cottage cannot do. Okay, such as the areas around the arms. Okay, so these areas, this cottages is used on the small areas. Okay, so this is the radar hive. And this one is testing the Y-channel pressures. Okay, so that you will know what millimeters that you can do and adjust. Okay, we will have the guide manuals to let you know how to use it. So this is the introduction about the 4 handle pieces. Okay, then next video I will guide you about the interface. Okay, now let me introduce you about the operation interface. Then press here. Welcome. So as you can see that we have 3 handle pieces. Let you choose. First one, press here. This is the 4D. Okay, as you can see the total line that this handle pieces, the cottages, we have the 20,000 shots. Okay, this is total shots of this cottage have. Okay, use lines. As you can see, that will be more than 20,000 because we have more than shots. Let you do the test. Okay, such as that you have finished the 20,000, that you need to replace a new cottages. Okay, so here this is the total line means. Okay, this is the patient totals such as you have begin to work. As you have done 1 shot, here 0 will become 1. Okay, and you can see this one is the safe M1, M2 to M5. Okay, this is the safe option, such as you have one client and you have setting the millimeters, then you can press save. Then when this client next time come to your clinic to the treatment, then you don't need to adjust it again. You just need to press the M1, then the millimeters will appears. Okay, so this is this items means. Okay, so here back, stop, stopped. So this is easy to understand, right? And then here this is the main millimeters that you need to adjust. Okay, as you can see the length is the maximum is 25. Actually, you don't need to adjust because 25 that is the right one that you choose, because 25 that means the maximum dots is 25. Okay, so here you don't need to adjust. Okay, and here that you can see this is the width. Okay, width. This means here we have 11 lines. Okay, such as I can lower them, the lines will be reduced. So actually here you also don't need to reduce. So here you also adjust to 11 is okay. And you can see the clear length and the pitch. Okay, here that means the distance of the dots and the lines distance. Okay, actually the pitch and the clear length, you just need to you just set it up to 1 is okay. So in these 4 items, width 11 and length 25 and the pitch and the clear length 1. Then in these four numbers that you can determine these areas is the maximum treatment areas. Okay, so this is the maximum treatment areas, and you can see that this is the power. Okay, this is the energies that you need to adjust power. Will be like that. Okay, you can add up, you can lower up. So for the first times, we will recommend you to choose the lower energy to find the suitable energy for each client. Okay, and this is will be have slow modes and fast modes. Actually, for my opinion, I will recommend you use the fast mode, because such as you use the slow mode will be like the but fast mode will be it will be like that. So I think patients will be more like the fast mode. Okay, here this is the pictures because as you can see this, we have used the cartridges of the temps. Okay, so it's used for the bodies. Such as now, we use the cartridges of 3 or 4.5. Then here is the face. Okay, so here is the treatment areas. Okay, so this is the introduction about the 4D Hive interface. Okay, then if you setting up all the parameters, you can press start. Okay, then it can begin work. Okay, so we come to back, and now this is we into the second handle pieces. Okay, now we go into the next handle pieces interface. This one is the radar hive. Okay, radar hive. A radar hive that also will have 3 cartridges. Okay, will be like that. 3 cartridges. Okay, each cartridge will have 68,000 shots. 68,000 shots, as you can see here. Okay, so finish the 68,000 shots that you also need to replace a new one. So as you can see, as I have told you in last video, the radar hive that is used on the small areas on face. So here you can adjust the energy. Here you can adjust the frequency. So for each client, we will recommend you do the skin test to find the right energies. Okay, so this cartridge will be easy to understand, and then press start. Okay, so same as the hive cartridges, you also need applying the cooling gel on the treatment areas. Okay, so we back up, and this one we go into the next handle pieces. This is the white journal tightening. Okay, as you can see in the interface, each cartridge will have 10,000 shots. 10,000. Such as you have finished 10,000, that you need to replace a new one. Okay, so this is the cartridge looks. Will be like that. Okay, you also need to apply the cooling gel on the treatment areas, and because this is used on the white journal tightening, so you need to put a condensed to do the treatments. Okay, so you can see the interface will be looks like that. I will introduce you how to use it. You can see this is a round. Actually, round that we will recommend you to the 30-60 degrees, because as you can see it will be like that. Wait a moment. So because it's like a turn around, because it will be like that turn around. Okay, turn around. So this is the handle pieces, and this is the angle. This means each time turn around how many angles. Actually, for the first times, we will recommend almost 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Okay. Such as now. 20 degrees, sorry. That we adjust you to use the 20 degrees, okay. This is the lumps, okay. 25 is the recommend, so you don't need to adjust. Pitch, that one is okay, and this is the energy, so will be like that, okay. I will show you how it is works, okay. Then you will be understand, because the video will be more vivid. Such as now, auto, I press. I need applying some cooling gel on it. Okay, so will be like that. Then here is the press buttons, okay. Ready? You need first to press the the position to retain the normal runs, okay. So as you can see, these lines, when it turn into green, we have the blue light. Then it means that it can normal work, okay. So you can see this light is turned on, okay. Then we press stop, okay. You can see that it will be turned 30 degrees. So will be like that, okay. As you can see, this is one time is 20 degrees, and it's one round is 360. So one full turn, that means you need almost do 18 times shots, okay. So you can see will be like that, okay. And here, that is the pictures of this handle pieces work. So when finished one hole, then that means the one shot have finished, okay. So will be like that, okay. I hope that you can understand. Okay, this one is finished. Then I will here, because I have told you that we have 4 handle pieces. Then such as okay, let it start work. As you can see here, we have pressures, okay. Here, this is the handle pieces let you test the vaginal pressures, okay. Okay, will be like that. Such as this one, this one, you also need to insert the vaginal, and you also need to put one condom on it. Okay, then such as you press here. As you can see that we have a value on this interface. Okay, will be like that. Okay, sorry. You can see here we have the values, okay. So we will have a table to show you such as which values, okay, shows that what the millimeters you need to use. Okay, we will have a recommend table to let you choose. Okay, actually this handle pieces is not very important, but you need to understand what it means. Okay, so such as that you know what is the values, then you can press save. Okay, so we'll be like that. Okay, then back. So we'll be like that. So this is the whole introduction about the 3 handle pieces. Okay.